Jason, cars?
I love cars.
Cars. What's up guys, it's Jake. You joined me on a very early morning in Los Angeles. We're about to head up to Angeles Crest Highway, which is one of my favorite driving roads. I almost left without the GoPro. Got it. There she is. Oh my god. I knew this car was loud. I didn't know this car was that loud. Yeah, good morning neighborhood. Whew. Wow. Okay. All right. Well, good morning to you too.
Good morning.
Jesus.
Valves are closed, too.
Oh my god, that was with the valves closed? Holy crap. All right, now we're sorted, we're getting gas. We're gonna roll out with Carrera 4S and a 911 turbo. It's gonna be great. It is so foggy. Look at this. It's so foggy. Jason, are you gonna be able to see, bro?
I'll go slow today.
We're gonna go slow. We're gonna play it safe. We're gonna play it safe.
Okay.
Ooh, Angeles Crest Highway. So, it's one of my favorite driving roads. It was actually listed as one of Porsche's top 10 driving roads a couple of years ago. Yeah, dude, that's how I found out about it. I'm pretty hyped. This car is really well suited. So, Jason, tell me a little bit about the car.
It's a Shelby GT350R. It's got around 525 horsepower.
Yeah.
It's on Michelin Pilot Super Sports Cup 2s, which is especially made for this car, I believe, because it looks like there's no wear on it, but it's semi-slick. Carbon fiber wheels, carbon fiber rear wing, has the same downforce, or even more, as a GT3.
Shit.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yep.
Wow. I mean, just
forward.
to give you an idea of how much downforce that is, we're talking about Porsche levels of downforce. The only people that didn't figure out how to get more power out of air are probably McLaren.
Yeah, probably McLaren.
Wait, don't tell me that Infiniti's coming with us.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god.
He's got Nissan GTR wheels on it.
I was about to say that shit's
full,
low.
Full suspension.
That shit is low. All right, well, I guess this Infiniti is coming with us. Up Angeles fucking Crest. Lowered on GTR The sounds that this car makes just at low speeds. This car is pretty interesting. This is our friend's Infiniti that he's just souped up, and apparently he's just the craziest driver in this group.
Oh yeah, if he had a car like a Cayman, he would blow everyone out. He's got a full exhaust, he's got bolt-ons, full suspension, Nissan GTR wheels. No, it did not. Woo!
Avoiding scrapes since 1995. Oh yeah. Tell me, what is worse than scraping?
Scraping the carbon fiber wheels.
Oh Jesus. Yeah, no, that sounds like a great idea. Let's not do that. let's come take a look at this turbo. Is this a wrap? It's absolutely beautiful. I love what you did to the emblem.
Look at the lead.
That's awesome. This car is amazing. This is one of those cars that you get in it and you know it's special. Really, really awesome. It's absolutely amazing. With the weight, it's about 3,800 pounds with a naturally aspirated V8 with more downforce than God. Like, it's just such an impressive car. And then it's got touches like this. Carbon fiber wheels to save weight. This front splitter is amazing. The spec is great. I mean, just look at that. It's awesome. With the race seats, I mean, it's a race car. Big thanks to Jason for taking me out in this morning. Car vlogging is, people see you walking around with the camera and they're either like, wow, this guy's a douchebag, or oh my God, a car vlogger. Oh, how many followers do you have? Zero. But you know what? It's okay. It's okay.
Talking to yourself?
Am I talking to myself? Dude, I'm always talking to myself. That's the point. That's all the fun. I was literally just saying, when you're car vlogging, people see you with the camera, they either go, wow, this guy's a douchebag, or oh, car vlogger, cool.
We all know.
It's somewhere in the middle.
No.
So apparently, this car actually did a one take with Matt Farah. So you know you're real when Matt Farah hits you up to drive your car. So I think we're gonna head off to Newcomb's Ranch, which is this awesome little biker bar. Well, not biker bar, biker cafe. They do a lot of car meets and stuff up there. So I think we're gonna jump back in the Mustang and get going. Jason, give us a couple revs.
Let's go for $1 million, right?
Couple revs.
Going for 2 million. Okay, all right. Okay, that was loud. That was loud. Our friends ran out of gas. So we had to pull over. We're gonna leave the Carrera 4S here. So hopefully he'll be able to get down the mountain. I think we're gonna go for a drive. What you guys missed, we drove by a bunch of guys stopped at the side of the road in this, and one of them pokes his head out the window and like yells to his friends, "Oh my God, that's the Infiniti for the one take!" Thank you, Matt Farah, for making this Infiniti famous. Oh, give us a far shot. Give us a nice little far shot.
Far shot.
Let me see
If
it.
you're watching this, please, for me to you.
Oh. Oh yeah. What?
CLICKBAIT off-roading with the GT350R. We
Oh, yeah.
ruined the front splitter.
Gravel.
Oh my God, emotional.
Top of the hill. Here we are. So we are accompanied by cars on cars on cars on cars. Let's see what we got. Straight away, we got a 997 GT3. Oh, this is an Uber. That's amazing. This GTS is pretty sick. Oh, somebody brought a Mavic. There's a drone up there. Hello, outdoing me. And then a bunch of Subis. Nice GT3 RS. These are great. I love these cars. Check this out. This is cute. Wide body TTRS. Subi. Fiesta ST. Subi. Dude, look at that GT3 RS. Ooh. Jason's a fan. Jason's a fan. Also, look at this Saab. We saw this on the way up. Really cool. Really cool. There's good stuff. Guy's got semi-slicks on his Golf R. And that's the Turbo S, or Turbo that we were running up with. It's pretty awesome. There's some cool stuff here. Usually it's a lot of bikes. Last time I came up, there was a whole like Ferrari group. Pretty sweet. Yeah, I think we're gonna run in, grab a coffee. I'll catch up with you guys in a sec. All right, so just had some breakfast up at Newcomb's Ranch. I think we're gonna close this vlog up. It's been an awesome morning. I'm so impressed with this car. Getting a little. I love this thing. You're a madman. You know that? You're a madman.
We try, you know.
295s in the back.
295s. That's a lot of rubber.
That is a lot of rubber on a car like this. All right, so we're gonna close it up. We're gonna head home in the Mustang. It's been an awesome day. Anytime we get to come up to Angeles Crest, it's always dope. So thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like this, give it a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.